Today we're looking at using advanced English sentences with my phrases and idioms on the board. Here's my simple story. Hi there, how are you? I'm feeling fit and healthy today. I'm so excited, I'm getting married this weekend. Are you mad, you might say? Well, it's not so difficult. I've known my partner for over 3 years now, so it's time we got married. I will be visiting my parents before the big day, and that will be an interesting visit, as I rarely visit my family. They live across the other side of England, so it would be nice to see them. My friend texted me this morning and asked me if she could come over for coffee. I had to say no, as I'm so busy preparing for my wedding. So that's the simple version. Let's see how we can change it using these words. My first one was, hi there, how are you? I haven't got that on the board because it's a quite simple one. How's it going? Hi, how's it going? I'm feeling fit and healthy today, is what I said next. I'm feeling fit and healthy. You can see that word fit. I'm as fit as a fiddle today. I'm as fit as fiddle today. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm getting married this weekend. I'm bouncing off the walls. I'm tying the knot this weekend. So bouncing off the walls, you can imagine your head's going like this. So excited. Because I'm tying the knot this weekend. Getting married. Are you mad, you might say? Are you out of your mind? You might say to me, are you out of your mind? Getting married? What are you doing, Margaret? Well, it's not so difficult. I've known my partner for 3 years. So, not so difficult. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. I've known my husband, well, my partner for 3 years. So we're going to get married. It's not rocket science. It's not difficult. People who know me, thinking, oh yeah, she's been with him for a few years now. It's not rocket science. And I want to talk on about my family living at the other side of England. They live across it on the Wales side, and I live on the northeast side. So I rarely visit my family. Well, look at this one. Once in a blue moon. I visit my family once in a blue moon. So that means I rarely visit my family. I visit my family once in a blue moon. And then my friend texted me this morning and asked if she could come for coffee. Oh, I haven't got that one on the board. Okay. Texted me and asked if she could come for coffee. If she could drop in. Hi Margaret, can I drop in for coffee? I'm sorry. I had to tell her that I'm a bit busy because I'm preparing for my wedding. I'm a bit tied up. I haven't got that on there either. I'm a bit tied up. So let's have a look at the ones that we've looked at. Okay? How's it going? We've used I'm fit as a fiddle, so I'm going to rip that off. We've used that one in our sentences today. I'm as fit as a fiddle. I'm bouncing off the walls. Can you remember what that means? I'm bouncing off the walls. So excited. So excited. Are you out of your mind? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Don't be silly. Don't do this thing. Like, say if someone's doing a bungee jump. Are you out of your mind? That's so dangerous. Yeah? It's not rocket science. It's not difficult to work out. She loves bungee jumping. So it's not rocket science that she wants to do it. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. You don't see someone that often. You go and see them once in the blue moon. tying the knot because I'm getting married this weekend. Now, I'm worn out is an advanced way to say I'm feeling tired. And I think by the time Saturday evening comes, I think I'll be feeling a bit worn out because the event will be very, very big. I hope you've enjoyed this video using advanced phrases from simple phrases. If you did, give that button a like, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye for now.